Hey there, Chris with Clean Streak Pressure Washing. We are on a job site in Tarpon Springs, Florida right now. Turn this around so you can see what we're working with. We are on a concrete patio for this client, and we're going to be getting all of this mildew and algae buildup off of here for them. Also have quite a bit of buildup on this cage as well. Of course, we can soft wash and get rid of all of that. Leave it in nice white condition for their listing photos. This home is going on the market, so we want to get it looking as good as we can before they take their photos. Alright, we have finished up the pool deck out here and the cage. As you can see, everything's nice and white. I'll turn this camera around so you can see where we're at. All these rails that were green had a bunch of algae growing on them. They're all white now. They're going to look good for their listing of photos. We're going to do the rinse down on the outside and we'll be done out here. Alright, the outside is rinsed down. We have all the green and black buildup on this cage is gone. As you can see, the pool deck area, well, patio area anyway, no pool deck, but concrete is nice and clean in there. It is puddled a little bit, but that will dry up. We're going to go out front, do a little touch up for them, and we'll be out.